Welcome to BioTrade Capital, the home to your safe investment. Trading pharmaceutical products has an immense potential for making you profits you never expected. Let's see how you can get started by choosing a package that matches your interest and start making money. We have 3 major packages for investing with 3 tiers in each package. The starter package. Here, you may invest a minimum of $30 with a daily return on investment of 0.8%. $100 with a daily return on investment of 1%, or $250 with a daily return on investment of 1.2%, along with several other benefits. The standard package, starting at $450 with a daily return on investment of 1.4%, $1,000 investment with a daily return on investment of 1.6%, and $2,500 investment with a daily return on investment of 1.8%. And finally, for those who really want to push the boundaries of making profits, the premium package, starting at $5,000 with 2% daily return on investment, $10,000 with a daily return on investment of 2.2%, and finally, $20,000 with a daily return on investment of an amazing 2.4%. But the profits don't end here. Yes, introducing the binary commission and unilevel referral commissions. For those who want to lead the network, we provide binary commission. Starter packages provide up to 8% binary commission. Standard packages provide up to 10% binary commission, and premium packages can benefit from up to 12% of binary commissions. If you refer a friend, family member, or any other client to BioTrade Capital, you make an amazing 10% profit of their initial investment. This is first level referral commission. Wow, but the perks don't end here. If your referral further brings in another one of his friends to BioTrade Capital, you still make a profit of 6% and so on to level 15. Isn't that an amazingly magical way to make money? And just when you thought the benefits were superb, we bring you our own unique ranking system. BioTrade Capital has a unique target achievement bonus with up to $25,000 worth of gifts for its members. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website www.biotradecapital.com now and let the magic begin.